Imagine you're diving deep beneath the ocean. Suddenly, a creature appears. It has 3 hearts, blue blood, 8 intelligent arms, and can change both its color and the texture of its skin in a fraction of a second. It can escape through a hole the size of a coin, solve puzzles, recognize human faces, and even open jars from the inside. It almost sounds like an alien from another planet. But it's real. Meet the octopus, the closest thing Earth has to an extraterrestrial life form. Today, we'll explore why scientists and nature lovers often describe octopuses as the most alien creatures on our planet. Part 1. A body. Unlike any other. Let's start with its body. Unlike humans, octopuses don't have a skeleton. Their bodies are almost entirely soft, allowing them to squeeze through incredibly tiny spaces. If their beak, the only hard part of their body, can fit through an opening, the rest of them can too. They also have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps blood throughout the body. Even stranger, their blood is blue. Instead of iron, like humans use to carry oxygen, octopus blood relies on copper, making it blue and allowing them to survive in cold, oxygen-poor ocean waters. Already, they seem like creatures designed by a completely different version of evolution. Part 2. Intelligence beyond expectations. But what truly makes octopuses feel alien is their intelligence. They are considered among the smartest invertebrates on Earth. Scientists have watched octopuses solve complex puzzles, unscrew jar lids, escape locked aquariums, and even memorize solutions to problems. Some have been observed collecting coconut shells to use later as portable shelters, a rare example of tool use in animals. They can also recognize individual humans. Researchers noticed that octopuses reacted differently to people they liked and those they didn't. Even more fascinating, about 2/3 of an octopus's neurons aren't in its brain. Instead, they're spread throughout its arms. Each arm can taste, touch, and explore almost independently. It's almost as if each arm has a mind of its own, while still working together with the central brain. Imagine if your hands could make decisions before your brain even noticed. Part 3. Masters of disguise. Now imagine becoming invisible in seconds. Octopuses can instantly change their color, patterns, and even the texture of their skin. Special cells called chromatophores expand and contract to create incredible camouflage. Some species can imitate rocks, coral, seaweed, or even dangerous animals like venomous sea snakes. One famous species, the mimic octopus, can transform its appearance to resemble several completely different sea creatures, depending on the threat. This isn't magic. It's biology pushed to an unbelievable level. To predators, it's almost impossible to know what they're actually looking at. Part 4. A strange evolution. Here's something even stranger. The last common ancestor between humans and octopuses lived over 500 million years ago. Since then, octopuses evolved along a completely different path. While mammals developed bones and social groups, octopuses became mostly solitary, soft-bodied hunters with distributed intelligence. Some scientists even call them an experiment in alternative intelligence, a glimpse into how intelligent life might evolve somewhere else in the universe. They're not aliens, but if alien life exists, it might not be as different from octopuses as we imagine. Outro. The octopus reminds us that intelligence doesn't have to look like ours. It doesn't need a backbone. It doesn't need a familiar brain. And it certainly doesn't need to live on land. Sometimes, the strangest life forms aren't hiding among the stars. They're already here, quietly swimming through Earth's oceans. So the next time someone asks what the most alien creature on Earth is, you might already know the answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which animal do you think is even stranger than the octopus? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.